Guys, today I'm doing a video with my friend over here. I'll be doing a lot of videos. Kind of almost all my videos I did with him. Yeah, he said get the dom because this video is, we're going to be buying. Let me ask him what price do I buy two? See guys, this is him. Cat. What are you doing? I'm trying to do my video. Oh, this one? Okay. I can probably like, I don't know, I got 15, 14 likes. Yeah, this year, I'll show you all my ads. This is all my ads, okay? It's pretty much a lot. I don't know if it was or not, because I just buy some money. I can't check them that much. It's funny. I just got one minute ago. The Zombie Dojo. I just do this. I think, guys, I don't need this Dominus. I swear I need this Dominus. If I get 2 of them Dominus, that will be, what is this? A fedora? If I get 2 of the businesses, I will literally be blowing my mind. I'll be like one and clip another one. Or I can just clip 2, I think. Oh, the one I got on right now, kinda. Yeah, that one. Bruh. Let's see what ones are different. We're gonna see why is this one called. We're gonna see but just buy all kinds of ones to look for. And stand there and probably spend that 10 seconds. The cap cleaners. So we got main green top. This is 50K. Okay, that's not that much. Ice of Arts. This one's okay. It's right by the last one. Legendary. Rare. This is legendary. Rare, I mean. Rare. I should do. That'd be so cool if you could do it at the same time. I forgot we got to block it there. Dice crown. I'm gonna come back when I get the Dominus, okay? See you. Sorry about that though. If I do get the Dominus, I'll tell you. See, can I get it? I think you go right here for it. I finally got it, so that's good. The one I've been waiting, now we're about to do some more. That's not the only thing we're doing. So we got that. Oh, yeah, I told my. So now we're gonna put it on. Well, I'm not about to wear this at all. Wait, let me see which one is better. This one or where's the other one wearing? This one. Oh yeah, I said unclipped. Unclipped. Now we're gonna get the Dominus. See ya. Okay, it's pretty good. My axe literally off. I didn't want that on actually. Oh, it's the other one then, because I had 2. That's why I remember. Unclip, and then clip one. What? promos and refill. I'm just showing my friend my dominance. And yeah. What? It's like a glitch, like you already just won, and I was off. I literally equipped shields on. Oh, I equipped both same. I don't know how I did that. Now my friend's probably gonna ask, how do you do that? And I'll be like, I don't know. So why are you asking me? If you do ice wings, then I have to do. And yeah, I'm pretty new. I'm not very good. I'm not that. And I have to do one. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for the video. So guys, hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll like the video and share it. Bye.